Okay, tell them what you're baking today.
Making
Honey
cupcake.
honey cornflakes,
Cupcake.
and fruity pebbles.
Pebbles. Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, so let's start. So first, what must you do? You heat up the butter, honey, brown sugar, right?
Yes.
So you have to melt them together.
I melt them together.
Yes, melt them together. Okay, so it's all melted.
A little bit. Smells delicious.
Smells delicious. Okay, so you off the heat. Okay, then you're gonna put in all this in. Okay, mix. Are you mixing?
Yes.
Okay, you have to mix very fast, okay, before it hardens. You're not even mixing. You have to mix it in. Go in. Come on, I'll help you. There, like that. Okay, mix. Mix. Yes. Okay, so we have lined the casing onto the tray. We're going to scoop them into the casing, okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah, I use this one.
Okay. Easy, right? Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
You can do it?
Yes.
Okay. Hey! Don't eat it! Oh man! Are we done scooping?
Yes.
Okay,
The
let's do
rainbow.
this. Let's bake them. Okay, come, let's go. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to try? Okay, you take one.
Yummy.
Yummy? Is it nice? Nice?
Yes.
Is it a thumbs up?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Is it a thumbs up?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, are you going to finish it? Okay, take another bite. What does it taste like?
I think they sour.
Huh?
They sour.
Do you taste of the honey? Never mind, it's okay. Do you taste the honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say happy baking. Okay, say happy baking.
Happy baking. Yummy.
Cannot, I need to wait for buka. Cannot eat with you.